Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about proper adjectives. Let's get started. Remember that an adjective is a word or set of words that modifies, in other words, describes a noun or pronoun. Note that adjectives may come before or after the word they modify, as in the example over here. This is a cute cat. The adjective cute modifies or describes the noun cat, and it comes before the noun. And in this sentence, this cat is cute. The adjective cute describes the noun cat, but note that it comes after the noun. Now, proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns and modify nouns and pronouns. Have a look at the example below. I love Italian culture. The word Italian is a proper adjective, and it's formed from the proper noun Italy. Remember that a proper noun is the specific name used for any person, place, or thing, as in Italy. Also note that proper adjectives typically look like their original proper nouns, but have some sort of alternative ending. Have a look at the examples below. He lives in America. America is a proper noun. It is the name of the country. And in this sentence, he likes American holiday. American is a proper adjective, but it's formed from the proper noun America. Only the ending is different. Note that proper adjectives are derived from proper nouns, and so they are capitalized. Have a look at the example below. When she lived in China, Liz ate a lot of Chinese food. Note that the proper adjective Chinese is capitalized, and it's derived from the proper noun China. And when a proper adjective has a prefix, the prefix itself is never capitalized. However, the proper adjective itself is still capitalized. Have a look at the example below. In pre-Columbian America, corn was the only cultivated cereal. Note that the prefix pre is not capitalized, but the proper adjective Columbian is capitalized. Let's have a look at the table below. Now, proper adjectives that are derived from proper nouns and end in IAN, EAN, or AN are as follow. Italian, derived from Italy. Korean, Korea. Moroccan, Morocco. And proper adjectives that end in IC. Icelandic, Nordic, Hispanic. ESE, Chinese, Japanese, Portuguese. Iraqi, Israeli, Pakistani. ISH, Danish, Finnish, Irish. Now let's review the use of proper adjectives and practice a bit. Remember that we use proper adjectives to modify nouns and pronouns. Read the following sentence and fill in the blanks using the appropriate proper adjective. I have a lot of China and Korea friends. I have a lot of Chinese and Korean friends. Note that proper adjectives are derived from proper nouns, and so they typically look like their original proper nouns, but have some sort of alternative ending. Read the following sentence and fill in the blank using the appropriate proper adjective. Peter is fond of Scotland. Scotland is a proper noun. He has been to many cities. He has been to many Scottish cities. Remember, the proper adjectives are capitalized as they are derived from proper nouns. Have a look at the following sentence and fill in the blank using the appropriate proper adjective. The drama club performed the Shakespeare play. Shakespearean play. Also remember that when a proper adjective has a prefix, the prefix itself is never capitalized. Read the following sentence and fill in the blank using the appropriate proper adjective. There was a steep rise in anti-Semitic incidents worldwide at that time. There was a steep rise in anti-Semitic incidents worldwide at that time. Note that we use the most common endings for nationalities, such as IAN, EAN, AN, IC, ESC, ISH to form proper adjectives. Read the following proper nouns and provide the appropriate proper adjective. Russia, Russian. Poland, Polish. Iceland, Icelandic. Saudi Arabia, Saudi. Lebanon, Lebanese. Turkey, Turkish. Ukraine, Ukrainian. Vietnam, Vietnamese. United Arab Emirates, Emirati. Spain, Hispanic. Here is a short story using proper adjectives. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Do you know that Kelly works at a Mexican restaurant? Yeah? But I know that she doesn't like Mexican food. That's true. But we don't have any European or Asian restaurants here. Actually, I heard that some French place is going to open in a month or two. Really? I think she would love to work there. Her cooking skills are excellent. And now it's time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and decide whether the adjectives should be capitalized. A. She's been reading Buddhist teachings. B. Painting originated in prehistoric times. C. An anti-theft backpack holds just about anything you need while keeping it all safe with enhanced safety features. D. He was described as a real Renaissance man. following sentences and provide the proper adjective form of the words in the bracket. A. France. Toasts may be eaten as a dessert in France. B. Billy likes reading Greece myth. C. Have you ever tried traditional Ireland stew? D. The band plays Christ music. E. I'd like to try Belgium waffles. F. The Edward era of British history covers the brief reign of King Edward VII. And now, let's check your answers. She's been reading Buddhist teachings. Painting originated in prehistoric times. An anti-theft backpack holds just about anything you need while keeping it all safe with enhanced safety features. He was described as a real Renaissance man. French toast may be eaten as a dessert in France. Billy likes reading Greek myths. Have you ever tried traditional Irish stew? The band plays Christian music. I'd like to try Belgian waffles. The Edwardian era of British history covers the brief reign of King Edward VII. Thank you for watching this tutorial.